What if the sleep patch you keep seeing online is either a hidden gem or just another cleverly marketed product? Today, we're talking about Lunavelle Sleep Patches, and whether they truly help improve sleep or simply rely on hype to drive sales. These patches are promoted as an easy nighttime solution that may help relaxation, deeper sleep, and better recovery without pills or drinks, which naturally sounds appealing for people struggling with restless nights. The formula often highlights ingredients like magnesium, GABA, and L-theanine, all of which are commonly associated with calmness and sleep support when used in more traditional forms. However, the real question is whether these ingredients can be effectively absorbed through the skin and patch, form at levels strong enough to create meaningful results. Right now, there is limited scientific evidence proving that this type of delivery method consistently works for sleep benefits, and that creates understandable skepticism. Another thing worth noticing is the marketing style surrounding Lunavelle Sleep Patches. Heavy discounts, urgency offers, and repetitive glowing testimonials can sometimes create excitement, but they do not replace real independent testing or verified clinical results. Some buyers say they felt more relaxed or slept better, while others report little to no noticeable change, which suggests results may vary widely from person to person. There are also concerns online about refund delays, billing frustrations, and lack of clear company transparency, which can matter just as much as the product itself. In terms of value, some critics believe similar generic patch products may be available elsewhere at lower prices under different branding. So, do Lunavelle Sleep Patches work? The honest answer is they might help some users through routine, placebo effect, or mild ingredient support, but there is not enough strong evidence to call them a proven sleep breakthrough. If your sleep issues are occasional, they may be worth cautious consideration, but if you have ongoing insomnia or serious sleep problems, relying on patches alone may not be the smartest solution. Always look beyond the marketing and focus on evidence before spending your money.